Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out to the Allegheny National Forest and we're going to do some dispersed camping. But first, we're going to head to the grocery store, get some food, and we're going to get on the road out to the forest. Alright, shopping done. We're going to get the car and cooler loaded up and we'll see you guys at camp. Alright, we have made it to camp. We had to kind of pivot our plans a little bit. All the dispersed sites were filled, so we came on up to the Lolita recreation area. We grabbed a site here. You see, there's our picnic table and fire pit, and there's a martin right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get that car unloaded, get set up, and then we'll be back with you guys. All right, guys, we now have got camp all set up. Chairs all set up. We got our cooler, picnic table, fire ring. See all that stuff right there. So, got everything set up. I think now we are going to go up the road to Buzzard Swamp. We're gonna go on a little hike. It's a little recreation area back in there. We're gonna go on a little hike to the lake and see if we can catch any fish. Stay tuned. All right, we have arrived at Buzzard Swamp. Got the fishing poles out. Ryan's getting his fishing pole set up, ready to go. Martin can't carry all the tackle. He says it's too heavy. So now we got to hike about a mile or so back to the lake, and we're gonna see if we can find any fish. Let's go.
Close to all public.
Yeah, that just means off of the trail. It's not. You stay along the trail.
I guess there is a speed down trail.
If anything, Daddy's going to be first because he's the most of a baby about snakes.
I don't know. I'm pretty afraid of snakes too.
You have boots and pants on, so.
Yeah, that's why I have the longest rod. That's why I have a snake.
Snake comes at me, I'm just smashing it with my rod.
So here's a wildlife propagation area, the whole way up this trail here on the on our left side. every so many feet, and you see one of those signs, entry strictly prohibited, wildlife propagation area. So I'm gonna have to look that up when we get back to some service and find out exactly what that means. There used to be a tree standing right there, and it got blown over and it uprooted. So the tree didn't break, it fell over because the ground got so wet, and it just lifted all the roots right out of the ground. Yep.
Deer, right there.
Oh yeah, there is.
Is it a doe or a buck?
It looked like a doe. I don't know if I got it on camera or not, but yeah, there was a deer just standing right there.
Its baby's bedded right on the other side of this root ball. So that's right where it came from.
Is it?
It went out and then cut across. Yeah, we definitely can't pull the roots from that woman from your house.
No, we can't. Those didn't go deep at all, though. So we made it back to the lake. We're right at the beginning of it. The trail still keeps going up there into the woods, and it goes around way over there. So it's already like 6:30. So we decided that we're just going to go ahead and turn around, head back to the car. We're going to go back to camp and make some dinner. But I just wanted to get this on video so you guys could see this. And the trail keeps going all the way around. It loops back to the parking area where we started. Somewhere over there is one random walk-in campsite. Somewhere back in there behind those trees. And it's a walk-in only. There's no other way to get to it. So you're looking about probably 2.5 miles minimum to get back to that site. So we'll camp it sometime. All right, back to camp we go.
Lots of twins this year. Look how precious.
All right, so we are back at camp. We got the fire going. Now we're going to go ahead and start cooking dinner. So tonight we are going to have chicken cheesesteak hoagies with Cooper cheese. That's the only way to have them, Cooper cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start prepping that. We're getting our pans ready, getting our fire ready. And you see our fire going there. We used a big old piece of pine pitch to get that going. We got a pretty good fire going. So let's go ahead and let's get cooking. All right, we got the peppers and onions cut up. We got some olive oil in there with that. We're gonna let them start sauteing up while Kelly goes ahead and gets the chicken all sliced up. And we'll get that thrown in there. And we'll be about ready to eat. All right, peppers and onions are sauteed. We're gonna leave them in there and let them keep cooking. I'm getting blamed for a lot of stuff here, guys. I didn't plan a thing.
Oh, yes, we did.
All I said was, let's go camping. That's it.
Actually,
Planning done for me.
I actually said that.
True story. True story. All right, here we go. I'm gonna let this chicken get cooked. We're gonna get these sandwiches put together.
U.S.
All right. Steel shatters. There we go. We got the cheese melting in. We got the buns toasted. It's time to start putting these bad boys together.
Onions.
Thank you.
Show that. Show it. Bring it back. Yeah, there we go. Chicken cheesesteaks with Cooper cheese, red bell peppers, and some sweet Vidalia onions.
This bun isn't so hot.
No, those buns weren't the greatest.
You want someone to take this for me?
Do what you just
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then I'll take you inside the tent with us and show you a better view of our setup. Good morning, everybody. It is about 7:30. It got really dark last night after we ate, and we all kind of just crashed. So here it is morning. We got the fire going. We're gonna make some breakfast, and I think we're gonna attempt a 3.6 mile hike today. Hi, Martin.
You didn't tell them about our stories from last night.
What stories?
All the coyotes.
Oh, yeah. I'm still trying to wake up, obviously. So 3 different times got woke up by coyotes last night. That was pretty cool. There was a lot of them. They were loud. Right up over the hill from where we are. And this morning, we got under attack by some squirrels. They were throwing pine cones at us. And those were pretty heavy. They're the green kind that are pretty dense and dangerous.
Eric was scared. He was clinging to me for his life, saying, "What's going on? What's
Yep.
going on? What is that out there?"
That was me. Sure was.
It was
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get some breakfast made, and we're gonna go on a hike. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got done eating breakfast, had some French toast and some bacon, and now we got everything tore down, packed up, and it is time to head on home, get some laundry done, and we're off to head to work tomorrow. So another camping trip down. Time to head on home, and I guess we'll just end it here. So thanks everybody for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video.